Sugar, it's sweet, it's everywhere, and we love it. But did you know that excessive sugar consumption can wreak havoc on your health? Today we're talking about the harmful effects of sugar, why cutting back matters, and how to reduce your intake without feeling deprived. Let's get started. First, let's understand sugar. Sugar comes in many forms. Natural sugars, found in fruits, vegetables, and dairy. Added sugars, found in processed foods like cookies, soda, and sauces. Surprisingly, sugar hides in unexpected places like bread, salad dressings, and even so-called healthy foods like granola bars. Always read labels. So what happens when we consume too much sugar? The effects can be devastating. Let's break it down. Weight gain. Excess sugar is stored as fat. It's one of the leading causes of obesity. Type 2, diabetes. Overloading your body with sugar can lead to insulin resistance, a key factor in diabetes. Heart disease. High sugar intake increases inflammation and bad cholesterol levels, putting your heart at risk. Dental problems. Sugar fuels bacteria in your mouth, leading to cavities and gum disease. Fatty liver disease. Too much sugar can overwhelm the liver, leading to fat buildup. Mental health. Sugar spikes and crashes can contribute to mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. Skin problems. Sugar can accelerate skin aging and worsen conditions like acne. And let's not forget the energy crashes. A high sugar diet keeps you on a roller coaster of highs and lows. The World Health Organization recommends that sugar intake should be less than 10% of your daily calorie intake, ideally around 5%. That's about 6 teaspoons, 25 grams, for women, 9 teaspoons, 36 grams, for men, 3 to 6 teaspoons, 12 to 25 grams, for children. Think about it. One soda can contain more sugar than your entire daily allowance. Now that we know why reducing sugar matters, here's how to do it effectively. Read labels. Look for hidden sugars in packaged foods. Choose natural sweeteners. Use small amounts of honey, stevia, or dates instead of refined sugar. Cut back on sugary drinks. Replace sodas and energy drinks with water, herbal teas, or sparkling water with a splash of lemon. Focus on whole foods. Opt for whole fruits instead of fruit juices. They have natural sugars along with fiber and nutrients. Limit processed foods. Cook at home so you know exactly what goes into your meals. Satisfy cravings smartly. Try a square of dark chocolate or a handful of nuts instead of candy. Plan your meals. Eat balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you full and reduce sugar cravings. You don't have to cut sugar out entirely, just make mindful choices. Breaking free from sugar can feel challenging at first because it's addictive. But here's what you can expect. Day 1 to 3. You might feel withdrawal symptoms like headaches or irritability. Stay hydrated and eat balanced meals. Week 1. Your energy levels start stabilizing and cravings decrease. Month 1. Your taste buds adjust and sugary foods may start to taste overly sweet. Long term, you'll feel more energetic, sleep better, and see improvements in your weight and overall health. When you reduce sugar, you're not just cutting calories. You're transforming your health. Benefits include lower risk of chronic diseases, more stable energy throughout the day, healthier skin, better weight management, improved mood and mental clarity. Sugar can be a sweet trap, but now you have the tools to break free. Start small, make gradual changes, and soon you'll see how much better you feel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more health tips. Together, we can build healthier habits.